Hello guys, today I'll show you how to implement React front-end search functionality with the CPEST code with only 2 lines of code. So this way I have found from Stack Overflow. So I will share this link to the description box. So let's get started. Okay, so I have initially installed a React app here, so you can do this very simply. npx create React app and my app, so only this procedure. So let's delete this. Okay, so let's use here a fake JSON file. So let's do this. Const, this is our data, and array, and this is our file. Okay, only user id, title. Okay, user id, title, nothing else. This is very simple JSON file. So we are going to have brackets. So let's show this data dot map and event. So let's event index arrow function. So we will show this data in a li list. Okay, so we'll show this in a list. So let's show, we'll show data dot user id and data dot title. Okay, e dot user id and another e dot title. So let's see the result. So these are the data. Okay, so let's implement a search box here. Import this text. Okay, and we have a state const source term set source term use state. Let's call this state and initial string. Okay, so let's copy this and here on change to get the value event, and this is set to state e dot target dot value. So basically we are taking the value from input field to the state. Okay, so let's see here value, these are the source term. Okay, so we have done everything we need. So you can see this is our input box. So let's add a placeholder here. So this is source here. Okay, so we have done the basic needs of everything. Okay, so this we know, everyone know this. So we will implement the main logic, only 2 lines of logic. So let's write down the logic. These are the main logic. So we will use a regex function because of case insensitivity. Okay, so const reg regex. Okay, so let's use a new. Okay, these are the source term, and this is the I. Okay, and another line is const filter. So we will filter from this data fake JSON. Okay, I'm collapsing this. Okay, data dot filter. Okay, this is the entry. Okay, so arrow function, and let's take object, and object. From object we will take all values, and let's have a first bracket, and let's entry parameter, and a sum. Let's here another function BRL, so another parameter. So this is the type of what is BRL triple equal. It will be the string. Okay, so this is the string, and let's take the source term val dot match. This is the re. Okay, basically re is coming from here, regex expression. Okay, so all we done. So let's check. We will replace this data to filter. Okay, so we have done everything. Only these two lines of logic will make your search functionality. So let's see. We will search here first giant. Okay, so it's loaded. As you can see, this is super fast. So you can create a fancy UI, but this is test purpose. So let's have a Shafiq. So as you can see, this is totally case insensitive. So this is the first capital letter, and this is the small letter. So we have done. You can implement this feature at very cheap coding. So I'll share this link to you, and I'll share my GitHub repository of this code. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give a subscribe to my channel.